Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. Today in this video I will be showing you how to fix WhatsApp connecting problem. These tips are very easy, so without any further delay let's get right on the video. So firstly, let's clear all the caches from the app. Go to settings, then scroll down and go to apps, then manage apps, and then search for WhatsApp. Open it. Then on the bottom right corner you can see clear data option. Simply tap on that and then tap on clear cache. Hit OK and its first step is done. After that, check your internet connection whether it's working or not by opening a website. Simply open the web browser, and if it loads then your internet connection is working, or switch it to your cellular data as I am doing right now. Then lastly, restart your phone and open the app. Now it should work perfectly fine. So this is it for today. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like these and comment down what next video should be on. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.